Hello, kids! Today, we will learn tracing. Tracing is very easy. It is the first step of learning. In tracing, we follow dotted lines and join them carefully. Let's learn with fun. This is the first one. It is called a sleeping line. A sleeping line is very easy. It goes from left to right. It is a horizontal line. Let's trace it together. Well done, kids! You traced the sleeping line very well. This is the second tracing line. It is called a standing line. It stands straight. Let's trace it together. Well done, kids! You learned the standing line. Now, let's learn the right slanting line. Subscribe to our channel, Fun Learn Kids, for more educational videos. This is the right slanting line. It goes down to the right. Let's trace it together. Good job, kids! The right slanting line is done. Now, we will learn the left slanting line. This is the left slanting line. It goes down to the left. Let's trace it. Great job, kids! In the next part, we will learn another fun tracing line. See you soon! Bye-bye!